Hey guys, Slam and Amity here for another review of a financial tool that you guys should have in your arsenal. And this is an app called Dosh. As you know from my last video about Venmo, Dosh is the company that powers uh, Venmo rewards that the vendors pay out when you buy from them. So here's Dosh. Here's, like you see, Sam's Club. Here's some of the cashback offerings some of the vendors have. Then you have specific stuff for mobile offers. You can see Uber Eats is pretty good, Apple Music, DoorDash, some other random vendors, Old Navy, Target, Fandango. And yeah, and here's some specific online offers. There's a little bit more than what Venmo offers. The offerings from Dosh to Venmo are more limited, and in Dosh there's quite a bit more, and there's quite a bit more flexibility. It even gives you a map of different vendors. So same idea as before, and then of course the traveling is you get up to 40% cash back on certain hotels. It's probably pretty high, even more than usual because of the coronavirus, but it is what it is. So anyways, that's just a little bit of a little preview of what some of the vendors are paying. So one thing you have to do is you need to click on it to make sure how to do it. Some of these you have to go directly in via the app and hit shop. You can share the offer with other friends or family. And some of these brick and mortar places like Sam's Club, you have the ability to go shop in person if you want. And and it's a little more versatile than just Venmo because you can link any bank account or card, debit or credit, to Dosh, and you can get cash back at any one of these vendors that are partnered with Dosh. So you could, yeah, as long as you use that card at that specific vendor, and even more specific, if it's saying a location that's by you, then all you have to do is swipe it at that location, and Dosh automatically records it, whatever card that you use to make purchases. So, and then the wallet. So you can see here that I use this as well. I probably use Dosh more. Again, if you're spending money at some of these places, like that's allocated for your budget, then it makes sense. Like Sam's Club's groceries, and then sometimes you go buy clothes for your kids or whatever, and then sometimes you go out to eat. That's all part of your budget, then it all works fine and well. Then when you hit $25, you can transfer it out to your bank account, and then hopefully use that money to save or make some investments, small investments, start accumulating something like uh, like what I do. I'm accumulating small cap cryptocurrencies at the moment with some of the Dosh rewards I get paid with. So yeah, and hope this helps you guys, and hope you guys take advantage of it and use it to get a better bang for your buck. Um, so yeah, please go ahead and download it. I don't see why it wouldn't help you guys out. And please use my referral link. If you guys got any value out of this, please like, share, and subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. Thanks.